guys, welcome back to another video of Trains Out. Today we're at Cambridge North, located on the West Anglian main line, and this is the service I arrived on. This is the 14:30 Thameslink service to Cambridge North. It's terminated in, and Cambridge North is one of the newest stations in Britain, so I thought I'd come and have a look whilst I'm up this way. Very modern, loving the look of it. So we'll see what should turn up here at Cambridge North. Just like Cambridge, guys, the wind is absolutely horrendous, so I can only apologise for that. This is the 14:30 Great Northern service from King's Lynn to London King's Cross, formed of a 387, I believe. Arriving in on time. There has been a lot of delays and cancellations today due to overhead wire issues here at Cambridge North. This is 387-129. Just to clarify, the Thameslink service that I got on to arrive came from London King's Cross. And that is the service also to London King's Cross. 387 and 129 is now ready to depart for London King's Cross. Service to London King's Cross. Driving in now is the 14:39 Great Northern service to King's Lynn from London King's Cross, formed of 387. 387-111. 387-111 is now ready to depart for King's Lynn. Leaving now is the 14:44 Thameslink service to London King's Cross, currently running, well, it's going to depart around 2 minutes late. departing on cautionary signals. Time now is 1:72:07 for Greater Anglia on the service to Cambridge from Norwich. This is the 14:51 service. (1:72:07) is now ready to depart. That's on the service to Norwich, Cambridge from Norwich. Currently departing on time. Passing through next should be a freight service, which is a class 70. Didn't quite get the numbers for that one, I'm sorry. It looked like 7008, but I'm not quite sure. I'm sure I'll write it down below. Right, sorry for the late start on that one. This is London King's Cross to Ely for Great Northern, formed of 2387. Apologies for missing the start, I was checking open time trains and it just arrived on me. So I think I'll be getting the next train out of Cambridge North, which will be the Cambridge to Norwich service of 15:13. But I've really enjoyed it. Starting now, it's the 15:08 Great Northern service to Ely. With 38710 on the rear.
The 15:14 service to London Liverpool Street is delayed.
I thought this was my service, but it's not, so. Here comes a passing cross-country service. (170:106). And there's 317662 on the service from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North. Yeah, I was about to say I thought it was the service to Norwich, but it's not. I thought that was a bit odd.
The 15:13 service to Norwich is delayed. 15:14 Greater Anglia service to
17638. On the service for CrossCountry to Birmingham New Street. Right guys, this is where I'm going to be ending my video here at Cambridge North. Should be 1:72:07 on the service to Norwich. My next station will be Ely. So, I hope to see you all there. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any suggestions, and I'll get back to them as and when I can. Thanks for watching guys.